what's up guys? This is Carl the Great here. This is a tutorial on how to do the basic setup of the original model GCHD. I know the GCHD is a GameCube HDMI adapter that is manufactured by Eon Gaming. This is the original model GCHD over here. And it'll be featured in this video. There's now the GCHD Mark II, but this one is not in this video. Okay, let's get started. Okay, you'll need the GameCube model DOL001. You can tell by looking at the back of your GameCube and seeing both these two AV outputs. This is a digital AV output, and this is what you need for progressive scan on your GameCube. This is the analog video output. That's why we want the older GameCubes and not the newer ones. In fact, according to My Life in Gaming, Nintendo removed this digital AV output on new GameCubes in mid-2004 because the now very expensive gaming component cables weren't yet in high demand during the GameCube's day due to most TVs at the time lacking component video inputs or supporting only 480i through component video. I know. But you can make sure you have these two video outputs in the GameCube. If you don't have the digital AV output, I'm sorry, then this video is not for you. Okay, we're also going to need would be a GameCube AC adapter, a GameCube controller, a GameCube memory card, an HDMI cable, a GCHD obviously, and an HDMI enabled display. Now this can be an HDTV or a monitor with an HDMI input. In fact, we'll be using this eYoYo S801C 8-inch 1024x768 monitor that I got for Christmas of last year. The link to the video of the Christmas 2018 haul will be in the description of this video. Alright, let's get started. Okay, first, plug in your GameCube. Now install the GCHD. By the way, this tutorial only applied to the original model GCHD because it has only one video output and it has to HDMI. I may possibly do a tutorial on the Mark II GCHD, but I don't know about that. Now anyway, let's get to installing this thing. In fact, to do this, you have to line up the two connectors on the unit or the ones on the GameCube, and then you have to push in the GCHD here, click, listen, like that. Now you take your HDMI cable and plug it in, and plug one end of it into the GCHD over here. Then plug the other end into your display. As you can see, these are Lego parts that I used to make a special stand for this thing, for this monitor. I know. Okay, I'm sorry. I forgot to plug in this monitor. Let's do that right now. If the monitor is now on. Okay, now insert a memory card slot 1 on your GameCube. In fact, we've been doing both memory cards. Now plug in your GameCube controller. Okay. With everything taken care of, it's time to power on this bad boy. But first, let's change the input on the monitor to HDMI. Now it's time to turn on the GameCube. The GameCube's now on. Yep, it's working. Yep. Now let's test out some games. First, we're gonna try out Mario Kart Double Dash. By the way, both games featured the games. Okay, first up, we're gonna it's Mario Kart Double Dash. In fact, that game was released back in the year 2003. Okay. Hey, how you doing? In fact, you saw that the GameCube, this cover was open, but that's how you insert a GameCube game. First, press the open button on your GameCube. Then insert the disc like so, label side facing up. Then close the disc cover. And now this is how you enable progressive scan on supported games. Make sure your GameCube is plugged into, you have a game controller plugged into controller port 1 over here. Now press and hold B and keep that button pressed while you turn on the GameCube. Like that. See, I'm still pressing and holding the B button. Keep that button press until you get a prompt asking if you want to enable progressive scan. Select yes. And that progressive scan has been enabled. There's some gameplay in action. Okay, I'm back. Here's the gameplay. Yup. This game is fun, believe me. Yep, up at the finish line. First place, that's good. Yup. Yep, we're gonna quit. So we can try out another game. I know. In fact, we're now going to try out Burnout 2 Point of Impact. The game also supports progressive scan. Yeah, we'll just stick the disc into the GameCube. And then turn it on. Okay, like with Marco Double Dash, to activate progressive scan on Burnout 2 for the GameCube, you have to press and hold the B button as the game boots up. Keep doing that until a prompt appears asking you if you want to enable progressive scan. This is the prompt, yup. So now select, this point select yes. Now progressive scan has been enabled. Okay, here's some gameplay. Sorry I didn't see the buttons clearly until now. Don't have no idea why. Okay, here's some gameplay. Okay. Here's the gameplay. First, let's do a pursuit using the cop car. Is it involving the custom pickup? Which track should we choose? Ocean Sprint. It's just gonna be a couple moments, and then we'll do a single race. We'll start doing a single race. Here we take off. Oops, that didn't go well. That's one hit. No, that's a double hit. Oops, that was not good. I know, I forgot to mention. In fact, I know Burnout 2.0 is fun. I know, in fact, I know that that game was first released back in the year 2002 for the PlayStation 2, and was eventually released for the GameCube and the Xbox. The former being the console shown in this video. We're still catching up to the custom pickup. After a couple more hits, that's it for the pursuit. One last hit and that's it. Yep, that's it for the pursuit. And let's start doing a single race. Let's choose the custom SUV. Let's do Sunrise Valley Sprint reversed. Overcast. I know the soundtrack plays in the Sunrise Valley, of course, is among my favorites. Is Burnout 2. My favorite Burnout 2 soundtracks. Yup. Let's do this. One lap and that's it. I know we're behind most because we failed to do a boost start just now. It's alright, things will get better from here. Oh no, I just crashed, but now we're in second place. So you should caught up. And once you finish the first lap, that's it. Okay, that's it. That was a fun lap, but now it's time to wrap up this video.
Okay, this wraps it up for the tutorial on the basic setup on the original GCHD. This is Carl the Great signing out.